Looking over the next couple of days, there appears to be a pretty potent severe weather outbreak for parts of the south and central U.S. To Monday night, there appears to be an enhanced risk over parts of northern Texas and central Oklahoma. This includes Oklahoma City. An enhanced risk is a level 3 out of 5 weather threat. It goes from marginal all the way up to high. Enhanced is the third, so it is in the middle. This includes a 30% risk of severe winds. This is 60 miles an hour or greater. 30% risk of winds happening within 25 miles of a given point. This is an overnight threat, so any storm that in this area that spawns will likely occur, and we know it will occur overnight. Looking at the tornado and hail threats, you can see a 10% risk of tornadoes. That's a pretty high risk. So numerous tornadoes are expected. The hail risk is also very large, with 15% risk of hail. This stretches from central Texas all the way up into southern Nebraska. The tornado risk is not hashed, which means we are not expecting significant severe tornadoes, but any kind of tornado is significant, so please be weather aware even if you're not in a hashed risk. The yellow is 10%, the brown is 5%, and the green is 2%. Looking at the actual overall threat for tomorrow, Tuesday, there is an enhanced risk stretching from parts of southern Oklahoma and northeast Texas through southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern parts of Alabama, and very, very, very west parts of the Florida Panhandle. This comes with a 30% hatched risk of winds, or just a 30% risk of winds. The hatched means that winds greater than 70 miles an hour are expected, and the 30% risk, again, means 30% risk of winds 60 miles an hour or greater within 25 miles at a given point. That hatched just means the winds may be significant. For the actual tornado risk, it is also a 10% tornado risk, just like what we saw in Oklahoma, but this time it includes a hatched risk of tornadoes. What that means is tornadoes of EF2 greater are possible in this area. So definitely be weather aware if you're anywhere in that hatched risk. Now, even if you're anywhere in the 10 and 5%, also be aware, even if you're not in the hatched risk. For Tuesday, the hail risk does not seem to be more prominent, with only a 5% risk over all parts of this severe weather outbreak, so hail will not be a major concern, but it is still possible. Thank you guys for watching, and please, please, please be weather aware and be safe.